Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English Coach. My name is John.
And my name is Anna.
How are you today, Anna?
I'm doing great, John, and I'm very excited about today's lesson.
Yes, today we have a very useful lesson for everyday English.
Exactly. Today we will talk about a situation that happens to many people.
Yes, a situation that can be a little embarrassing.
Have you ever forgotten someone's name?
Oh yes, I think everyone has experienced this at least once.
Maybe you met someone at a meeting or a party or a conference.
Then later you see them again.
They remember you, but you cannot remember their name.
That is definitely an embarrassing moment.
But today, we will help you learn useful English phrases for that situation.
Yes, after this lesson, you will understand the vocabulary
The expressions.
and how to speak naturally in English.
So first, let's listen to a short dialogue.
Don't worry if you do not understand everything the first time. Just listen carefully.
Hey Anna, how's it going?
Oh, hi, John. I'm doing well. What are you doing in this neighborhood?
Actually, my office is right around the corner.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it was great meeting you last week at the business conference.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation about international business.
It was very interesting.
Well, I'm actually in a bit of a hurry today.
No problem.
But here is my card.
Thank you.
We should definitely meet again and continue our discussion.
That sounds like a great idea.
You still have my contact details, right?
Well, this is a little embarrassing.
What happened?
Your name has just slipped my mind.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Really?
Yes, it happens to me all the time.
I'm terrible with names.
That's okay. My name is Anna.
Nice to see you again, Anna.
Great! Now let's learn some important vocabulary from the dialogue.
Our first phrase is, in a bit of a hurry.
Repeat after me. In a bit of a hurry.
When someone says, in a bit of a hurry, it means they do not have much time.
They need to go somewhere quickly.
Let's hear some examples.
Example 1. I can't talk right now. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Example 2. Can you drive faster? I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Example 3. I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I will finish this later.
Good. Now let's move to the next phrase.
Our next phrase is contact details. Repeat after us. Contact details. Contact details. Contact details are the information people use to contact you. For example, your phone number, your email address, your office address, or your business card. Let's hear an example. Do you have her contact details? Here are my contact details. Please email me.
Our third phrase is very interesting.
The phrase is, slipped my mind.
Repeat after us. Slipped my mind.
When something slips your mind, it means you forget it.
But usually you forget it accidentally.
For example, I forgot to send the email. It slipped my mind.
Example 2. I forgot your birthday. It completely slipped my mind.
This is a very common phrase in everyday English.
Now let's look at some natural English phrases.
These phrases will help you sound more fluent.
Phrase 1. Around here.
The first phrase is, around here.
Repeat after us. Around here.
Around here. Around here means close to this place.
Example. Is there a bank around here?
Another example, do you live around here?
Phrase 2. Around the corner. Next phrase. Around the corner.
Repeat after us.
Around the corner. Around the corner means very close, usually on the next street.
Example. My office is right around the corner.
Another example. There is a coffee shop around the corner. Phrase 3. Terrible with.
Next phrase. Terrible with.
Repeat after us. Terrible with.
If you are terrible with something, it means you are not good at it.
Example. I'm terrible with numbers.
Another example. I'm terrible with directions,
Many people say, I'm terrible with names.
which is exactly what happened in our dialogue.
Now, let's listen to the dialogue again.
This time, listen carefully for the vocabulary words. Hey, Anna, how's it going?
Hi, John. I'm doing well.
Do you live around here?
Actually, my office is right around the corner.
That's interesting.
It was nice meeting you last week at the conference.
Yes, I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too.
But I'm in a bit of a hurry right now.
No problem.
Here's my card.
Great. We should meet again.
Yes, definitely.
You still have my contact details, right?
Well, this is a little embarrassing.
What happened?
Your name slipped my mind.
That's okay.
Really?
Yes, I'm terrible with names too.
What is your name again?
My name is Anna.
Now, let's learn a phrase that native speakers use all the time.
The phrase is, how's it going?
Repeat after us. How's it going?
This phrase means, how are you?
But it sounds more natural and casual.
Example conversation.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Anna, have you ever forgotten someone's name?
Yes, it has happened many times.
Really?
Yes. One time I met a colleague at a business event.
Okay.
We talked for almost 20 minutes.
That's a long conversation.
Yes, but I forgot his name.
What did you do?
I asked him for his business card.
That's a smart idea.
Yes, because his name was written on the card.
That's a very useful trick,
Another trick is asking someone to write their email.
because the email usually includes their name.
Exactly.
So if you forget someone's name, don't panic.
There are polite ways to ask again.
Now, it's time for speaking practice.
Repeat after us.
How's it going?
Do you live around here?
My office is around the corner.
I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Can I have your contact details?
Your name slipped my mind.
I'm terrible with names.
Let's review the vocabulary we learned today.
Around here.
Around the corner.
In a bit of a hurry.
Contact details.
Slipped my mind.
Terrible with.
And the natural greeting.
How's it going?
Great job today, English learners.
We hope this lesson helped you learn useful everyday English.
Keep practicing.
And keep improving your English every day.
Thank you for watching Mr. English Coach.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.